Iba sinasabi sa akin nito pag off-air.
Ano?
Ayaw mo daw siyang pasabayin, pauwi. Talagang kailangan, pinipilit ka pa raw niya. Binibigyan ka ng pagkain, tinatanggihan mo. Pero pag on-air, naging anghel ka bigla. Jackson opens up a 3 at pinapahiran ang... Kita mo naman, Buti na lang, hindi masyadong makintab yung view nun. Thank you, Direk. Direk Fred, simple ka lang, Pwede naman sa harap.
Kita mo, si Ken Villapando, yung lumusob, umatake, lumipad, lays it up and in. Totoo ba yun, Ton? Magkakalaman tayo kung Ito, siya yata magpapakita sa atin ng one-handed throwdown. Ken Villapando.
Haba no?
Oo.
Tapos naka-jammoran ka pa. Number 23 ka na. Naka-jammoran ka pa na sapatos. Dapat lang na dumadakdak ka. Orlan Mamar, hindi man dumadakdak yan. 2 points pa rin yan.
Steal, layup. Ilan na to? 43. 90-47. Joe Boy skips it to Martin Gozum. Bubukol sa 3. Malakas. At may foul sa ilalim. Hintayin natin si Sean Jackson na magpaita sa atin ng highlight. Gexer, great move of the game. Born for greatness.
Ito, huwag na kayo mag-antay sa Villapando.
Sa loob, may foul. Sunga will troop to the line for 2 shots. Ganda nung slam dunk contest na yun. Kaya nga pati si Commissioner Kenneth Durenos napatayo. And also, of course, capping off the All-Star game with the game winner by Eric Camson, who I might add, that was a pretty competitive, fiercely fought All-Star game.
Yeah.
And what a success there. Free throw of the game brought to you by Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas.
Among all our VIPs, Commish would definitely know. Because you go back to his heyday as a player, he would not only do a dunk in a warm-up, he would do it, he was an in-game dunker. Itong si Commissioner Kenneth. Of that triangle offense by Coach Tim in Alaska, usually on the blind pig, yung backdoor, and then he would finish with a tomahawk slam. Ito, tinawagan ng goaltending. Sean Jackson. That was close.
Tapos may foul pa yata.
It looked to be going up. If I'm San Juan, I would challenge. I would, see, Sean heard me. Sean heard me, see.
Hey, wala. 3-point play.
I didn't mean for him to hear me out, pero I'm glad he did.
Orlan Mamar, drive.
But Sean realized that I was being sarcastic.
Orlan Mamar, pass inside. Villapando.
Wakali!
Oo. 92-52. 7.5 remaining here.
Without even looking, sigurado ko, at this point, nasa 30 ng assist ng San Juan. Kung wala pa, push up si Ton.
Sige.
Ayan na! Ay, wala, kapos pa rin.
Swerte ka, kaibigan.
Wala. Alam mo, bumigat si Jackson ngayong araw. Bumigat. Oo, malamang may pa-premyo, no? Malamang. I'm gonna assume meron. Yung slam dunk contest natin. Mukhang binusog ang kanyang sarili. Medyo mababa ng 1 to 2 inches ang talon niya ngayong araw.
Tahonera, pumukol sa 3. Offensive foul. Sulipa ba? Nahuli si Gozum. 4 na yung foul ni Jeff Tahonera.
Normal na yan.
Subalde.
Ayun,
papasok
32.
na.
Yes.
Oh,
Oy, salamat, Derek Brad.
Derek. 40-point lead. I mean, kudos to our production team for really...
For not falling asleep and still giving us exposure.
Isa na yon.
Ito na! O hindi pa?
Di ba?
Wala,
Mamaya
practice
siguro.
lang, practice lang. Abuso na raw tayo. Nag-champion na nga daw siya eh.
Dapat daw nasa All-Star game tayo para natunghayan natin yung mga dakdak niya. Pero ito, equally impressive pa rin naman. Lalo
Nasa
yung pasa.
YouTube naman eh.
Oo. Sean Jackson gliding in the lane. 2 more points. 42-point lead. Sarangani sues for time. Deal already. San Juan just having this 42-point lead against Sarangani, 96-54. Brillante, susubok sa tres, showing us the range. Kay Kuya Skyrus, effortless din yung mga ganong daklak. Coach Chris, one-hander na...
Yes, sir. He's usually a two-handed slam dunk player. 2 feet, tapos dalawang kamay.
Oo nga. Hindi siya parang sila, yan, si Villapando.
Hindi. Ang 1-2 step, no, tulad ni Villapando, is yung kanyang dunking duo partner na si Nino Gelling.
Okay. Mataas din pala tumalon yun, ha?
Oo naman. Yeah, kaya sumikat yung dalawang yun ng dunking duo ang tawag sa kanila. Hindi ka naman mababagsagan na dunking duo, hindi ka nakakadakdak.
Kala ko ikaw yung isa eh.
Hindi. Kaya nga, yun na nga yung punto ko eh. Hindi kasi ako nakakadakdak. Diniin mo pa eh.
Never ka man nag-dunk sa isang game? Never? Totoo?
Ha?
Never? Okay lang yan, tapos na yun eh.
Wala na.
Ken Brillantes making the first free throw. This free throw of the game brought to you by Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas.
Let's just say that I tried in the game, but I never tried again.
Uy, ganda ng backdoor. Saan Galinato.
It was a traumatic experience.
Bibilang sana ako sino in-game dunker sa ating panel eh. Kasi si Andre nag-commentate during the All-Star game. Matindi rin dunker yun.
Ito rin sa apelido nun eh, ha?
Oo, di ba? Kaya nga eh. Si Palanya, alam ko kaya din tumakdak nun. Si Bosedel, di ko alam kung nung araw nakakadakdak.
Oo, sa mga aparador. Naman, may video siya niyan, sure ako. Oo.
Uy, magaling mag-pickleball daw yun, ha?
Sabi nga,
nahihiligan ng pickleball ngayon.
alam mo na, yung mga pag-certified tito ka na.
Oo.
Diba? Tulad ni Boss CPT.
Si Happy din kasama doon. Sila magkakasama doon eh. Sila Key. Alam ko sila Gianna nag-ano rin yan. Nagpipickleball din yan eh. 158. Si Brillantes kanina pa dito sa free throw line. Former Letran Knight. Missing the first. Well, San Juan hitting the century mark. And how do you like their chances, Coach Chris, going up against first Jensen muna and then of course yung inaabangan na showdown nila against Abra?
I think San Juan's gonna take care of business. You know, although it will be no easy feat, no. Like, kalaban ng Jensen, always a challenge when you play a team, you know, tulad ng Jensen. And they're gonna look to that game. They're gonna approach that game sort of like a springboard para pagandaan itong Abra.
Rizal 4K ahead. Certainly tried, but alas, still 2 points. 102-58.
Si Wamar, 20 assists na.
Ano bang record?
Oo.
Hindi, alam ko kay Philip Manalang yun eh, di ba yung record? Yung record for most number of assists in a game was Philip Manalang. I believe he had
Mahigit
more than
20.
20
Oo.
when he was with Parañaque. Ken
ito.
Villapando,
Pang ano na to? 21.
21.
Oo.
21 assists for Orlan Wamar. And we have a timeout here by the Sarangani Gripper. And this pretty much a done deal already. Nagbabalik po ang MPBL, ang Liga ng Bawat Pilipino. San Juan, kalaban Gensan on September 13, 18. Abra kanilang mga kalaban, and on the 29th, they will take on the Marikina Shoemasters. Alright, meron tayong inaabangan na possible milestone,
Oo, meron man lang tayo ikatuwa dito. Pwera sa laro ni Villapando, di ba? Certainly, career night, I would say, di ba? From a scoring standpoint. Also a career night for Orlan Wamar from an assist standpoint. Could hold the record for the most assists in San Juan. Also, could beat the record of Philip Manalang. 3 assists shy of the highest in MPBL history in a single game, 24.
Did that just last season with Parañaque.
A lot of time. At kung ako ang kakampi ni Orlan ngayon, yung mga nasa loob, Calinato, sila Villapando, Ubalde, di ba? Susuhulan ko. Tama ba? Is that the word?
Oh, yan.
Ayan, assist ulit. Okay. Ibig sabihin ko kay Wamar, tutulungan kita, pero may kapalit. Sapatos. O hindi ko shoot.
Tingnan natin, 106.60. Ayan na naman. Calinato ahead. Lays it in. Plus the foul.
So, ilan na? Dali. 23. Isa pa. Ma'am. 23 na.
Oo. Calinato at the line. Has 13 points. This is a 49-point lead. Good thing my math still intact. Tama naman, 109.60.
Agaw, assist.
There we go.
There's the record.
Nicely done for Orlan Wamar. 24 assists.
Also has 6 steals, by the way.
All-time assist leader. And breaking the record for most assists in a game. At pwede pa niyang dagdagan, kaya lang nagresulta sa turnover yon.
Kaya lang, mas nangingibabaw sa akin yung 6 turnovers niya. Ay, hindi. 4 lang pala.
Dinagdagan mo naman eh.
Sige na. Maganda naman yung ratio. Alley-oop. Hindi. Villapando.
Pandagdag. Ayan, 25 assists.
25. There's the go. That's the record. Pero may bad news ako kay Wamar. Dahil career night din ni Villapando ngayong gabi. Ibigay naman natin sa iba. 24? Tama? 24, no? Oh, Villapando.
Galing talaga ni Jepoy. Dapat kinukuhanan din to, Derek eh. Matikas tong statistician natin eh. Ha? Uy, yan si Jepoy, Coach Chris, ano yan ha? Nag-2020 yan sa liga nila sa Antipolo ha? Oo. Damo, thumbs up.
Hindi, ano naman tayo.
First free throw good for Lars Sunga. Parang yung reaction niya, parang wala lang eh. No, si Jepoy, 2020. Pare, Iba ka?
Ano naman tayo?
Mamar hindi pa tapos. Alforque fading away. No good. Just waiting for the final score here. Alves tries a free. Villapando, supalpal, inabot kay King Destacamento. Kaloy, nakalusot. Lays it in. 29 seconds left. Is a nice win in preparation for their upcoming games against Gensan and Abra. Again, Abra being that deciding factor of which team will end up with the best record overall in the MPBL.
That's a big game because that could be a difference of winning a championship and falling short. You're talking about home court advantage.
No.
Right? It could boil down to that, no? Which pagdating sa division finals natin, it will be best of 5 already. Tama ba? It used to be best of 3. Yeah, I think madadagdagan eh.
Oh, that's going to be an interesting ring.
Aside from the play-in, I believe, I remember, no?
Okay.
North and South division finals. Magiging best of 5 na, let's wait for confirmation, but that's what I remember when we were start of the season, yung bagong format ngayong taon with the play-in and all that. But you're talking about a game 5 kung saan maglalaro.
Oo.
It could be in Nueva Ecija, it could be in San Juan, it could be in Abra. Those 3 teams at yan yung sitwasyon. Yung magnitude of that game next week.
And this San Juan team has never finished below the North Division Finals. That's how good they've been since joining the MPBL in its second season. It's either championship
or bust.
Yeah. Exactly.
That's the end of the second game.
And that's gonna do it here in this game. And San Juan pretty much walloping itong Sarangani here. But Orlan Wamar, 25 assists. The most in a game. And just shattering the record